Sania Jahan. I am in class 7 at the School of Lawyers International. Today I will share a few words about Shabe Miraj, a very special night in Islam. On this night, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was taken on a miraculous journey by Allah. He first traveled from Mecca to Jerusalem and then ascended to the heavens. During this journey, he saw many amazing things and met other prophets. Allah gave us the 5 daily prayers in this night. This shows us how important prayers are in our lives. On Shabe Miraj, Muslims pray, read the Quran, and ask Allah for forgiveness. This night teaches us to stay close to Allah and do good deeds. Jazakallahu khairan for listening.